Okay, here's how we're going to open a combination lock. We've got the combination here. It's 31, 17, 27. We're going to go to the right, 2 turns to the left and to the right. So we start by turning it clockwise. Give it at least 3 turns clockwise. I just like to spin it for a while. And then we're going to go to 31, and you stop right on 31. If you go too far, like you go like this and back, you mess it up. Anytime you do that, you just have to start over. So we're going to start from scratch. And we go like this, getting close to 31, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. And we stop right there. Don't jiggle it. Okay, now we're going to go to the left, 17. So we turn to 17, but I'm going to keep going. So I pass it the first time, go around the second time, and we go right there to 17. Now we're going to reverse direction to the 27, 30, 29, 28, 27 right there, and pull it open. Okay, locking it's pretty easy. You just go like this and lock it, give it a spin to make sure nobody else can open it. And that's how you open a combination lock.